Hello, this is Theo Marshall, and today we're aboard the 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. In the back, she's powered by dual 350 horsepower Mercury Verado wedges. Notice a little bit of room here on your swim platform along with the engines. Allows you to access shore power, freshwater hose, right on the port side, right behind the engines here in the aft. Huge amount of storage space. As we make our way into the cockpit, you'll notice a great amount of seating here. Under this sun pad, you'll see this nice hydraulic table. Comes right up and down. Have those nice meals on the water. On the starboard side here, you have your Kenyan grill, freshwater sink, along with your refrigerator, and a trash receptacle. There is storage underneath all of the seating here. The backrest here on the port side is adjustable. You can face whatever way you like. You'll notice the stainless steel cup holders, Fusion stereo speakers along the hard top, which does have the pull-out shade to cover the whole stern of the boat. Very comfortable helm seat for two here, where you'll find your Simrad screens, your skyhook joystick, throttle, Fusion stereo, all your switches. This leads us into our cabin. You'll notice the nice wood finish in the interior of the cabin, along with a great amount of sleeping space. Another refrigerator, microwave, some extra storage, and of course, your head. You'll notice the Fusion stereo speakers all throughout the boat, so you can always hear the music. Some more storage here by the bow walkway. Making our way into the bow, you can easily cut all access off to the bow. Brings us to this enormous sun pad here. Armrests, cup holders, your stereo speakers, very, very comfortable lounge seating. You can even adjust the volume from up here. And up at the front, your windlass anchor. Again, this is the 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. For any questions, any additional information, please reach out to us at 508-320-3350. Thank you very much.